Hello, awesome students. Let's work on a math lesson together. For today's lesson, we will be looking at rounding whole numbers. After today's lesson, you will be able to say, I can use place values and a number line to round numbers. Before we get started, let's quickly review some key vocabulary and concepts. Whole number. Whole number is a number that does not contain a decimal or a fraction. A place value is the value of where a digit is in the number. Today, we will focus on hundreds, tens, and ones. A number line is a line on which numbers are placed in intervals to show basic numerical calculations. Plotting a number on a number line means that you are making a point designating that number on the number line. Now let's think specifically about rounding. We want to think about ways to find numbers that tell about how much and about how many. So let's try an example. Let's round 134 to the nearest 10. We want to first think about the place values and which numbers we will be rounding to. 134 is made up of 1 100ths, 3 10s, and 4 1s. So now that we have identified our place values, we want to look back and see that our problem is asking us to round to the nearest 10. And we can see that the 3 is in our tens place. So will we round to 130 or to 140? Now that I have identified that I will be rounding to the nearest 10, I will only need to look at numbers 130 through 140 on my number line. After I place my tick marks for each one through 130 and 140, I will locate 134 and place my mark there. When I plot 134 on the number line, I can see that 134 is 4 away from 130 and 6 away from 140. Since 4 is less than 6, we will round to 130. So right about now, you might be thinking, wait, what if my number is equally distant from either side? Well, that's simple. If your place value number is 5, always round up. Congratulations, you did it. You can now round numbers. Thank you so much for joining this lesson. I hope you have a ball rounding numbers.